Congratulations on Thanksgiving Day! Would you like to share a meal together?
Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Erntedankfest. Möchtest du gerne eine Mahlzeit zusammen teilen?
Félicitations pour la journée de Thanksgiving. Souhaiterais-tu partager un repas ensemble?
Congratulazioni per il giorno del ringraziamento. Ti piacerebbe condividere un pasto insieme?
Felicitaciones en el Día de Acción de Gracias. ¿Te gustaría compartir una comida juntos?
感謝祭おめでとうございます。一緒に食事を共有しませんか?
추수감사절 축하드립니다. 함께 식사를 할까요?
Does it look good? I bet it does. So, do you want to know how to convert photo into talking video? If yes, then this video is just for you. Hi, I'm AI presenter Natalia, and today, we're going to show you how to make any photo start talking with Wondershare Virbo. And if you think it's going to be a difficult task, then you are wrong, because we are going to use artificial intelligence to do most of our work. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss any of our future videos. Now, let's start the video and show you how to make talking photo video. First off, launch Wondershare Virbo on your computer. It's the best AI tool talking photo app for creators. This is the opening interface of Wondershare Virbo. From here, click on this talking photo option. Now you've got two options. First, you can either select one of the images this talking photo app provides. There are many different images to cover different scenarios and needs of the people. Just scroll down and choose the one you like. Your second option is that you upload an image from your computer, whether it be your friend, family member, or even yourself. You can upload the image of any person you want to upload an image. Click here. Now read the user agreement and privacy policy of Wondershare Virbo, then check this box to agree with them. After that, click on the Upload button to select your image from the computer and open it. In today's video, let's take Harry Potter's photo as the example. Hold on a moment. Quick tip, please make sure that you choose a photo with just one person's face in it. It will give you the best results because too many faces in the photo can make it challenging for the software to detect them. Once your photo is ready, bring your cursor to the Create Video button. Now, select whether you want a landscape or portrait image, then click on it to animate a photo until it's talking. Wait until Wondershare Virbo sets up your studio. When it's ready, input the text you want your photo to say in this text script section. After putting your script, you can set your voiceover from this section. You can change the speed, pitch, and volume of the audio from these sliders. If you want to change the language, then click here. Now select the language and gender of your voice and click OK. Experiment with different voices and scripts to find the perfect match for your photo. Wondering how to make Harry Potter speak German, even if you're not fluent in the language? No worries, AI translation has you covered. Simply click here, select your target language, and voila! Your translated script will be ready in seconds. You can even customize the voices afterward. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your photo talks and sounds, hit that Export button. Then, Wondershare Virbo will generate your talking photo video and you can share it with the world. Now you know how to make a talking video with photo easily with Wondershare Virbo. As we wrap up this video, let's talk about some scenarios where these talking photo videos can truly shine. First, content creators can use this technology to make unique videos, as they are always looking for new ideas. These talking videos can add a fresh twist to their channels. Other than that, marketers can also use this to create innovative campaigns. It will capture the attention of their audience and grow their sales. The possibilities are endless, from personal greetings to educational content. The potential is only limited by your imagination. If you have also got some creative ideas, then why are you still waiting? Start creating your own talking photo videos today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content like this. See you in the next video.